Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. IIT JAM 2022 results and scorecards are available now. This is the notification on the official website. JAM 2022 results and scorecards are available on candidate portal. This is the link to access candidate portal. When you will click on this link, this page will appear on the screen, and here you have to enter your enrollment ID or email ID, password, then solve this mathematical problem and insert the answer in this box, and then click on the submit button to access your scorecard. In case you do not have your enrollment ID or password, you can click on this forgot enrollment ID or password to retrieve the details. On the homepage, you will find other instruction like eligible candidates can submit their admission forms on candidate portal during April 11 to May 11, 2022. Eligible candidates with change of category can apply for admission valid category certificate. So this was the update related to the result and scorecard. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe the channel for the other important updates.